Do you want to grow on Instagram without investing lots of money? In this video, we'll go through 10 apps and tools for Instagram that will help you plan and execute a full social media strategy and start growing on the platform. Growing organically on Instagram has become harder and harder in recent years. Your organic reach, especially on the feed, has been heavily diminished in favor of paid ads. But with the right tools and the right strategy, there are still more ways to grow on Instagram. Let's jump right in. Our first tool is Crowdfire. If your main goal is growing your followers on Instagram, this free tool has everything you need. With Crowdfire, you can easily see and manage the activity of both of your followers and the accounts that you follow. These are the main options it offers that can be interesting to you. Automatically unfollow users who don't follow you, copy followers from a different account you might be interested in, see a list of your fans, which are users that you don't follow but they follow you, and view the new followers and people who unfollowed you. They offer a free plan for 3 linked accounts, 10 scheduled posts per account, and content curation functionalities. If you want more, their paid plans start at $10 per month. Number 2, 10 Web Social. This tool is a WordPress plugin that lets you connect your Instagram feed to your website. It is very user-friendly and it doesn't take long to set up. Once you configure everything just the way you want it, you'll be able to display content from Instagram exactly how and where you want it on your site or your blog. If you have very visual or impressive posts on your Instagram account, this allows you to show them easily on your website so that viewers get interested and decide to follow your profile. Our third tool is Facebook Ads Manager. Like we said earlier, growing organically nowadays has become a challenge for some accounts. In these cases, Facebook Ads Manager might be the solution. Both Facebook and Instagram advertising use the same interface from Meta to manage their ads. So if you want to start advertising on Instagram, you should learn how to use this tool. Make the most of all of its advanced segmentation features to direct your content to the audience you want to reach. Once you've set up your ads, you can use this tool to track them and see how well they are performing. Our fourth tool is Buffer. Buffer is a tool that lets you plan and schedule content for your Instagram account. It's especially useful for e-commerce accounts because it allows you to connect your link in bio to numerous links that can take people to shopping pages. Additionally, Buffer lets you try different variations of posts, republish your most popular content, and it has a hashtag manager that will help you get more views for your posts. Their free plan lets you manage up to 3 different channels and also includes some basic publishing tools and a landing page builder. Their paid options start at $6 a month and are a good choice if you want to also invest in analytics and engagement tracking. Number 5 is Canva. Canva is an online design app that lets you create all kinds of images without any prior experience or knowledge. Canva has special effects, icons, frames, filters, stickers, and more, so you can create the best images as easily as possible. You can choose between many different templates and canvas sizes, so it adapts perfectly to your posts, stories, or even reels. In the same platform, you can use an almost infinite number of resources like vectors, images, and even GIFs. Although some functions and resources are premium, you can use the free ones perfectly without spending a single dollar. Number 6 is Instagram Insights. This tool allows you to see when your audience is on Instagram, your most viewed posts, and it lets you compare results between all of your content. For instance, if you are boosting a post, you can see how well your promoted post is doing compared to the original one. This way, you can see if your ads are worth the financial investment. Instagram Insights are free for business accounts, but can only be used within the app and are not on Instagram's desktop option. Number 7 is Leetags. Leetags is an app that helps you find trending hashtags for your Instagram posts, which will give them a higher chance of being seen. In the app, you can type in a category or keyword related to your post, and then Leetags will generate a list of trending hashtags that are related to it. They'll show you the number of posts each hashtag was featured in and its relevance. So it's very useful if you want to reach as many accounts as possible using relevant hashtags. Number 8, Later. This free Instagram advertising tool lets you schedule posts for future dates. When the time comes, you will receive a notification asking for your approval before the post is published. It also allows you to search for and publish content from the internet and add several team members. It is the closest you can get to automating your Instagram account. Check out their free plan or invest in one of their paid plans starting at $15 a month. Number 9, Iconosquare. This free marketing tool is not only extremely useful, but also brilliantly designed. With Iconosquare, you can view all kinds of statistics regarding your account, including the total number of likes, the photos with the most likes, the average number of likes, the number of comments per photo, how much your followers have grown, and more. It helps that all of this is shown in visually attractive graphics. Number 10 is Sproutsocial. Sproutsocial is one of the most used social media tools in the business, but it's usually best for bigger brands that need to manage a lot of different content. Sprout's Instagram integration includes scheduling, publishing, engagement tools, and access to rich analytics. You can easily plan and schedule posts, monitor hashtags, and respond to comments with a comprehensive social management solution. You can try it for free using their 30-day trial, but they only offer paid plans, starting from $99 a month. And that's it for today. Do you use a tool or app we haven't mentioned in this video? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you found it useful, give us a like and consider subscribing to the channel. We publish videos every week about social media, digital marketing, inbound marketing, and more. See you in the next one.